What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I actually headed to Auto Science to drop this off. Yep, have kind of, I guess you could say bad news on the Honda. Should get to show you guys what's happening, what's going on with it. Basically going through a build again, but I'll explain to you once I get there. But this custom part that I talked about is actually about to come into play, and it's because I didn't have this part. It's the reason why what happened. And again, when I get there, I should be able to see the car, explain to you. It's going to be a little bit on the build because, as you know, what's going on with the issues of the world, waiting for some parts to come in for it so we can get it fixed up. But I'll explain to you, but in the end, I didn't know what I was going to do with this custom part. I knew I needed it made. It got made. Now it's going to actually get use, and we're going to get another major addition to the Honda. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to Auto Science. The car's been there for about 3 weeks now because they're backed up. Everybody's backed up, so let's head out to Auto Science so we can drop this part off. They're waiting on this part anyways, and I can show you the other parts I've ordered and what's going on with the Honda. We are here at Auto Science. I'm going to go ahead and drop off these custom L19 ARP head studs to them. Hopefully I'll get to see the car. I can go over a little bit what's going on. Have to order all the parts, etc. But we are here at Auto Science. I want to focus on just driving. So let's go ahead and see if we can see my car. Alright, make a quick video. Alright, here's the car. The car is at Auto Science. You know, I'm not joking. I dropped off those head studs. Pretty much, without getting too much into it, the car was overheating. I think I still have maybe 2 videos I took. If I do, I'll post them up like right now. I don't know what that is. It's smoking. I can't see its tongue. It sounds like something to reach. It sounds bubbling. I wonder if it's the battery. I don't know. Can't know what it is now. It's this. This is hot as hell. I'll call it overflow tank. So you can see condensation and all that. I wonder if I'm low on coolant. Let's check out them all. Yeah, it's definitely that. I'll check out them all. Hopefully you have seen the 2 videos. Essentially what happens is when you turbocharge a car that's not supposed to be turbocharged, the head studs weren't designed for that much pressure. So ultimately, eventually, again, this is any car. This is not just Honda. It's any car that wasn't designed coming from the factory, kind of like the S3000 down there. That doesn't come turbo, needs head studs. As you guys know, there is no head studs for the R18 platform. There are for the SI platform, but there was a company that I made a video about a while ago. You can go back on my feed and find it. But Race Engineering, they will custom make using obviously sending the specs to APR. They'll make you some L19 head studs. As you guys remember, I ordered some. It took a while to get here, but I got them. That's the problem. So, disclaimer: if you're gonna boost a car that's not supposed to be boosted, you need to add head studs to it, period, or get some custom head studs made. So because of that, essentially the head gasket is blown basically, and it melted the oil dipstick, and that's in the oil pan. So gotta get a new radiator cap, blew off obviously all 4 spark plugs, and then the coil packs, all 4 coil packs kind of semi-melted, so I need 4 coil packs, and of course the head gasket, which comes along with the head resurface, because you have to resurface the head obviously. So because we're going to do all that stuff, I said, well, fuck it, might as well go ahead and go fully built head now. So that's what since I'm going to use the head studs, like, oh, that's perfect. They were so happy. Oh, I said, yeah, I had those made. Been sitting on them for a couple months. So we're going to pull the head off, and we're going to resurface the head and do a fully built head. So this car will now have a fully built head. So it's just a matter of time before we get the fully built transmission, and might as well think about doing the built bottom end, but we'll see, man, because I really want to get another new project. Yes, the fenders are on the way as far as getting done on the Z, but had to take a break because this suddenly happened again. Because I take care of the car, and you know I don't have to beat on it every day, is why it lasted so long. I should have installed the head studs when I installed the turbo kit, but again, they didn't exist. Then I was told about a company that could make some, had them made, took about 6 months, and it is what it is. So only thing is, like, at least I get the head studs installed now. L19. Then I'm going to go fully built head, which means I did buy some Brian Cower spring and retainer TI, not the regular TI retainer set. Already ordered that. It's on the way in. So as soon as I get that, probably include that in this video because it's not going to be long enough. You guys can see that, and we'll drop those off. And then they're going to order the, obviously, all 4 coils, and then the head gasket and the spark plugs you can get, from anywhere. And then we'll have all the pieces, and at that point, just be taking it apart, resurfacing the head, and then basically a whole head rebuild to make it a built head. Remember, well, you guys saying, well, what about porting the exhaust manifold? Remember, the R18s are different where everything comes out of one tube. It's not 4 separate tubes. So you can't really port the head, per se, without doing damage and making it worse. So fully built head in this case would be upgraded cam, which you guys already know I have an upgraded cam in there, spring and retainers, obviously, and that'd be a fully built head for the R18 platform or anything that uses a similar motor. So again, probably for you guys it's gonna be instant. For me it's gonna be probably like a week or whatever. When I get the spring retainer set, I will show you guys. We'll include in the video, and just like that, we are back. Like I said, for you guys it'd be seconds. For me, I have to wait a week. This is what I ordered. Like I said, we're going fully built head. I'm gonna show it to you guys before I drop it off here in a second. So you guys are wondering what this is in the product. Now let's focus on that. It's right there. There you go. A lot better. There you go. Spring retainer keeper. So this is, you're going to go fully built head on your R18. It's what you need. Spring and retainers and keepers. As well as, of course, upgrade the cam, which you already have. It's got 2 cam padded already in the car. Now, there is 2 sets. There is a, I think it's BC 0081, something like that. And there's a non-titanium set, okay? I guess you would say a regular steel set. It's a lot cheaper than this one. But if you're going to go ahead and build your head, might as well do it right with higher quality products. Don't cheap out and get the lesser version, even though it's $200 cheaper. Just wait an extra week, save up, do what you got to do, to get the titanium set. So I'm just going to show it to you real quick. Not much to show you guys, obviously, because it's not installed. But so you guys have never seen it. There you go. There's your springs right there. There's your retainers, and there's your keepers, as well as your lube, etc. All that stuff inside here. So I'm not gonna open up. There's more springs right there. That's all your springs. That's what it looks like. For you guys that have never seen people say, "Oh, get spring and retainers so you can rev higher." Pretty much what it is right here. So this will allow me to obviously rev a lot higher in the RPM range, so I can obviously being able to rev out means that you can extend your power band longer and move your power band, etc. So usually when you get a more aggressive cam, they say, oh, the lift is high, you need to upgrade your spring and retainers. This is what they mean right here. You have to upgrade your valve train, or basically your valve train, however you want to say it. So that's it right there. Not much to see, pretty much. I just wanted to show you guys. I'm not joking. I did order this from Brian Crower. Came in right on time, so we're going to go ahead before they close right quick, drop this off to the shop. That way the shop has all the parts that they need to go ahead and fix this head gasket issue. Let's go ahead and let's do, as you can see now, a fully built head for the R18. So I'm going to drop this off. Let's hop in the car, head down there before they close. Guys, and we are back at Auto Science. We're here to obviously drop off the complete spring retainer set. They got some new cars here. They always do. Always see these in the parking lot. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this head stuff off, and then probably I gotta wait for some other cars obviously to get finished before they start working on the Honda. But again, want to drop off all the parts. They have all the parts. Everything's good to go. Again, back at my boys at Auto Science. Just dropped this off. Bad little looking Mazda right here next to the shop. Yeah, it's basically working on Mazdas at this shop. But yeah, they got Subarus. They always have Subarus. So we dropped off the head studs. So pretty much gotta order it's loud. Gotta order coilovers. Not coilovers. Excuse me. Can't think because it's so loud. Gotta order coil and plug set and spark plugs, and then they'll get started on doing the build head, machine work, and all that stuff. So this video might be long enough. So pretty much that's the update on the Honda. I don't have anything else. That's T right there. have anything else to add until they start doing work on it. I do need to tell them one thing. I do want to save all the damaged parts, so I can show you guys all the stuff that got damaged. So let me go back in there and tell them that. And it's still sitting in the same spot, so I'm not going to move until they work on it. So again, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, when it comes back, we'll have a fully built head and the head gasket fixed. Tell them to save all the parts that got damaged, so I can show you guys all the parts that got overheated or whatnot, warp damage, etc. You guys kind of got a list of it when I was talking about what needs to be replaced. But obviously the fully built head is something I just added. Again, the head's got to come off anyway, so you might as well just go ahead and build it. Take care of that, so then I can rev to the moon. Well, okay, guys. Again, any questions, post them down below. See you guys next video. Peace.